by with the box. Let them come by with the box.
Oh, sorry.
How you gonna know whether you got the queen or not?
You don't go on that route, I hope. Get tired and get somebody else on.
Does he have fruit on that frame that he put up there? Or is it just an empty frame?
I think it's just empty.
Get in there.
All of them?
Well, you don't have to
Is it
have
an
all
hour?
of them.
30 minutes? Okay. Sorry, I drove a minute. Yeah.
No, okay.
Oh, how'd you do that? All day yesterday I was doing that. He figured the zoom out.
That's a youngster for you.
No, but Caitlin and I couldn't figure it out yesterday. We even had a fuss.
James, did you have brood on that frame that you put in the bucket?
He did. That'll draw the queen.
Draw the bees and the queen.
Hey, James, did it matter that that brood came out of the one they swarmed from? It could have been anything.
Should have brought my real camera. What in the world was we thinking?
And you just gonna hold it there thinking they'll all kind of keep going on in there.
Y'all get tired of holding it?
Yeah, let us know. We can do a shift.
Okay, now my arms are tired, beast.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
What are you doing,
Look,
Mikey?
them guys, they're not going to ask. Y'all have to volunteer.
I'm over here now watching me
So
catch a swarm. I'm in a bee class.
This here's costing extra.
I'm in Slow. What you doing?
I won't charge you for the cake I brought.
I know. Now,